Green tides are large blooms of green algae that can cause significant ecological and economic damage to coastal areas. There are several causes of green tides, including nutrient pollution, excessive amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus, which are commonly found in fertilizer runoff, sewage discharge, and other human activities, can fuel the growth of algae blooms. Climate change, warmer temperatures and changes in precipitation patterns can exacerbate algae blooms. Changes in water circulation, human activities, such as the construction of dams and the modification of waterways, can alter water circulation patterns and contribute to green tides. Green tides can have a number of negative impacts, including depletion of oxygen. As algae die and decompose, they consume oxygen from the water, potentially leading to the death of other aquatic organisms. Harm to fishing and tourism industries. Green tides can kill or harm fish and other marine life, affecting local fishing industries. Additionally, the unsightly appearance of green tides can deter tourists from visiting affected areas. Eutrophication. Green tides can contribute to the process of eutrophication, which is the over-enrichment of water with nutrients, leading to the growth of excessive amounts of algae and other aquatic plants. To remove green tides, several approaches can be taken, including nutrient reduction. Reducing the levels of nitrogen and phosphorus in the water can help to limit the growth of algae blooms. This can be achieved through reducing fertilizer runoff, improving wastewater treatment, and controlling other sources of nutrient pollution. Physical removal. In some cases, green tides can be physically removed from the water using skimmers, booms, and other mechanical methods. Algae control. Certain substances, such as clay or copper sulfate, can be used to control the growth of algae. However, the use of these substances can have unintended consequences and should be carefully evaluated before being implemented. Promoting ecosystem health. Restoring and preserving natural habitats, such as wetlands and seagrass beds, can help to promote a healthy ecosystem that is less susceptible to green tides. It is important to address the root causes of green tides, such as nutrient pollution and climate change, in order to effectively manage and reduce the occurrence of these blooms. In addition to the approaches mentioned above, there are also some innovative solutions being developed to tackle green tides. For example, bioremediation. Certain microorganisms can be used to degrade or consume algae blooms, reducing their impact on the environment. Biofloc technology. This technology involves controlling the growth of algae by adjusting water chemistry, pH, and other factors. The resulting flocculated algae can then be removed from the water. Genetic engineering. Researchers are exploring the use of genetically modified algae that are less prone to forming blooms or that can be used to consume other harmful algae. It is also important to educate the public and promote sustainable practices to prevent the occurrence of green tides. For example, individuals can reduce their own contribution to nutrient pollution by conserving water, properly disposing of household chemicals, and reducing fertilizer use. In conclusion, green tides are a complex problem that requires a multidisciplinary approach to address effectively. By reducing nutrient pollution, promoting ecosystem health, and using innovative solutions, we can work towards mitigating the impacts of green tides on coastal areas.